know it's kind of funny how a room full of things feels completely empty when you're not in the wings. How could I have known the fortune I would find, a peace deep in my bones, the beauty day and night. And you make anywhere feel like home. Home isn't where we live, it's living by your side. Oh, and I can't imagine any other way, the way our world needs your touch. You're touching every space, and how it makes any place feel like home. Ooh.
Ago, I ordered a large vinyl sticker to apply to the mirror that you guys walked past when you came in to create a welcome sign. And when the package arrived, I opened it and found accompanying the large sticker this very tiny small sticker. It said, "Practice makes perfect." But I couldn't stop thinking about this sticker because practice did make perfect for us. And practice might be really tough life lessons, broken hearts, or fears of the future, but it often leads to perfect. And I'm here tonight with my perfect. And I would suffer 1,000 more practices if they all led me to you.
I guess I'm kinda lucky that when I hit a wall, I know I can climb up. 'Cause you're the ground beneath it all, and you make anywhere feel like home. Home isn't where we live, it's living by your side. Oh, and I can't imagine any other way our world needs your touch. You're touching every space, and how it makes any place feel like home.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard Garris Airlines Flight 0827 with service off to Happily Ever After. I'll be your captain today. My name is Liam. We're going to be beginning our journey today cruising at a cruising altitude of 460 feet. That will be our final cruising altitude today, looking at a total flight time of 5 hours off to Happily Ever After.
And it's feeling like